Well, good morning, everyone. You see, I am not walking this morning. My dad called me last night and reminded me that he had a doctor's appointment this morning early. So that means I'm leaving my house at 6 a.m. Well, let me fix that. It's 6:15 to take him to the Woodlands. And he lives in Spring. I live in Atascocita. So it's 25 minute drive from my house to his house. And that's easy traffic, okay? Now this is morning work traffic and school traffic, so it's going to be maybe a little longer for me to get to my dad. I should have went. To get to my dad, so and then it's gonna take about an hour depending on traffic. It may be longer than that because it's morning traffic, and that traffic going out that way on 45 is crazy. So I'm leaving my house, like I said, at this time to get him to his appointment. And so there's no walking this morning, but we're going to do a little car chat instead. Well, it's a little chilly out here this morning. And I tell you, I had forgot all about this appointment. I had in my mind that I was going to get up and do an inside workout this morning to record, because yesterday I ended up taking my husband to 3 doctor's appointments, and we left the house around 7 and totally forgot about them too. I have not been looking at my schedule like I should. That's my fault. So we got back home yesterday about 2:30, and so after all that ripping and running we were doing, can somebody go? After I got home from ripping and running from that yesterday, it was 2:30 by the time we got home. I was exhausted. So we got home, I had to get lunch and then pull out something for dinner. Got that taken care of. And I didn't work out like I wanted to, but I did accomplish some things for I edited a video for YouTube Tips and More, and I filmed 2 videos for decorating on a budget. And that's because I was cleaning up some stuff. So, you know, of course, you're a content creator, so decorating on a budget involves some motivational cleaning. So of course I did cleaning, so I just filmed it and I have to edit that. So, but I'm trying to stay on my schedule. I've got some cozy things coming up, and I'm a little bit ahead, but not as far as I would like to be on my editing or filming, that is, filming my content. But I tell you, my husband's doing a lot better than he was before, because he was in ICU for about a week and a half, and he's home. He's doing better. Today is Friday, so today is dialysis day. He goes to dialysis about 3:30ish. I leave the house about 3:15 to get him there on time. And so today, so when I get back from my dad, I should be back home, or at least at his house by 10. So I'll get back to his house by 10, and then I'll be home about 10:30ish. Oh man, I'm in the wrong lane. This is school time. I need to get over in the other lane. So I will there. I'll get home about 10:30ish, 11 o'clock from my dad. And when I get there from him, then I plan on trying to do two table skates to film today, and my coffee station for Valentine's. That's on my agenda for today. And what else? And I do need to clean the family room. I need to mop it as well. If I can get that accomplished today, I'll be doing something good. Get that done today. So that'll be 4 videos for decorating on the budget. Turn, baby, turn. That'll be 4 videos for decorating on the budget today, if I can accomplish that today. And I do have another video that I really need to do the voice for Healthy Tips and More, because not only do I do the walking, I'm doing some little cooking here and there, some shopping stuff for groceries, that is, and throwing in some real life stuff, you know. So the channel's kind of been a little bit revamped, but I'm hoping it works with you guys. When I'm not able to go walking and take you with me, if it's not an indoor thing, then if it's like I am now doing a car chat. But I do take care of my husband and my father. I take them to doctor's appointments and all that wonderful stuff. And like, I handle a lot of the finance stuff. Why is this piece of hair, my black, hanging down like this? I do take care of a lot of financial business for my dad. My dad is 80. He'll be 81 in June. So, you know, with our mom gone, we try to make sure that we keep up with stuff with my dad. My brothers are coming down this weekend to pick him up. They're going to our hometown. That's about a 4-hour drive from us, 3.5 from us. They're coming down from Austin, and they're going to scoop him up. My mother's headstone is finally delivered. So they're going to go down there and, you know, put the cement things around her grave. Make it look nice. Because we bought his and hers. So we're going to square it all in. And then when, you know, day comes when he passes, then we're going to, he wants the what you call that stuff, mulch, to cover it in to make it look nice and neat. So he wants stones, but we're debating about that, my siblings and myself, about putting the little pea gravel he wants in there. We'll see how that goes. But, you know, we're trying to follow his wishes and do it like he wants it done. So, but this morning, we're headed to take my dad where he goes. And this is what I call the real life of it, because I do take him to his doctor's appointments. And I wanted to make sure I let you guys know I hadn't bailed on doing my workouts. What I have done is I'm trying to make sure that I put something out on this channel like I planned. You know, life be lifing. It's a little chilly. Let me cut on some heat in here. Oh, it's gotten a little chilly up in here. Okay. Now, I know I've been put the 30-day challenge out, And I've been trying to keep up with that. Can you stay in your lane? Me and you could be really good friends if you stay in your lane. The 30-day challenge. Why would you turn in front of me like that? Now let me know if you're doing the 30-day challenge, and also too, what do you think of the new way I'm doing this channel, Healthy Tips and More, with releasing a different video on Wednesday mornings at 8 o'clock, which would be like a cooking episode or a meal prep episode, or it's going to be a menopause episode. What else is it? I think that's what it is. It's meal prepping, then it's going to be menopause, and then one of what they call as real life. Those are the 3 pillars that I have for Healthy Tips and More. So, alarm is going off. So let me know what you think of that. That I try to do a walking video or something like this car chat will come out like at 3:45 Monday through Friday. And then see, I might change that to 3 days a week, but until I finish the 30-day challenge, it'll be Monday through Friday. And after the 30-day challenge, I think I will drop it to Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Let's go, people. There's an arrow. And I think that will work out well. But let me know what you think. Because I am also going to do, I have some realistic workout exercises that I'm going to do. And you can do them with a light hand weight. Mine's going to be done with either a 2-pound or a 5-pound hand weight. I'm not trying to, be a bodybuilder. I just want to work out some to help, lose some weight, and also to tone areas that have lost their minds. Because with menopause and perimenopause, you get things added onto your body that you didn't request. So I'm going to try to do some of these exercises, and they are for women 50 plus. I'm not trying to kill myself and act like I'm in my 20s or 30s and do what I did to lose weight then. And right now, with me stressing so bad, and I realize that stress does cause you to gain weight. And basically, stress weight is basically fat. Yeah. And then you have menopause and perimenopause weight that comes on, and it's all not cute. I was already a thick girl already, but I didn't want to be, a bubble. So I need to get rid of some weight. I know I can do it. I just have to deal with the stress that I'm dealing with, which is a lot. And I've changed my eating. Last time I went to the doctor, I had lost 25 pounds. So I need to work on that. Make sure I keep my goal of 25 pounds a visit. If I can lose 25 pounds every month, then I'll be doing good. So that is my goal, to try to lose 25 pounds a month. If I can lose over that, then that would be great. I'm sorry I looked up strange, because there's a small plane trying to land, but the airport is back that way. But it's going that way trying to land, and the airport is behind me. That's a little weird. But I just wanted to touch bases with you guys and let you know that I have not abandoned the 30-day challenge. It's just life is lifing with me right now. these last couple of days, and with the weather like it was, the little freeze storm that went through, it was 20 something degrees outside, and the other morning it was 30 degrees, and no matter what I put on, I was still freezing. And I was like, okay, you need to work out inside. And yesterday that was my goal, today that was my goal, but both days I'm being transportation. So I love you guys for taking the time out to watch me babble, and to watch me walk and listen to me talk when I'm walking. And hopefully you like the videos that go out on Wednesday mornings at 8 o'clock. I really would love your feedback. And I hope to catch you tomorrow. Well, no, Monday. Hopefully I will catch you Monday out walking and enjoying God's green earth, the freshness of the morning. And you guys, I hope you have a blessed and truly blessed weekend. And I will see you on Monday. Bye-bye.